Hi friends, welcome to Tech Touch channel. Today I am going to show you in this video how to fix could not complete call. You are already on a call. Please try again later in Messenger. So before I start the video, please subscribe my channel for my latest video. Guys, if you also facing this error, then I will show you how to fix this problem. First of all, check your Messenger up to date or not. For that, you need to open your Google Play Store. Then search here Messenger. If your Messenger not up to date, then press on update. Wait for completion. After finishing, go back. Open your settings. Go to the app, then search here Messenger. Press on force stop, press on force stop, press on storage, then press on clear data. Before clearing the data, read this sentence. This app's data will be permanently deleted. This includes files, settings, databases and other app data. Then press on OK. After doing both methods, check your problem solved or not. If not, once you uninstall and reinstall your Messenger, hope your problem will be resolved. That's it guys, so in this way you fix this problem. Thanks for watching friends, hope you like this video. If you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel.